Hey guys, welcome to our February meal prep challenge. So today's video is going to be a little bit more of an introductory one, and throughout the month you'll get tons of videos and blog posts about pro tips, what you can look for in the grocery store, and all those fun things. So without further ado, let's get started. The biggest thing about meal prepping is that it'll save you a ton of time, it'll save you tons of money, and it'll make creating habitual changes for eating healthy a little bit easier, because everything will always be out of arm's reach when you're looking for a snack, when you're looking for a meal, and it'll take away a lot of the wasted time and energy thinking about what you're going to cook for your next meal, or what's for lunch, or what's for breakfast, etc. So how I typically like to go about this is on Sundays, which is today, I'll sit down and look at my schedule for the week. So for example, this week I have a really busy schedule with all my clients. Because I'm a personal trainer, my meals, especially for breakfast and lunch, have to be quick, easy to eat, and nutritious. So this week I'm going to be making boiled eggs for breakfast as with some berries, and then for lunch I'm going to have chicken bowls. So for me, this is a really easy go-to kind of combination, and it helps me organize my schedule so that I know that I can eat these things between clients. I know that I'm getting a high protein meal, and when I come home for dinner, I can have a snack, which typically is something like a yogurt or hummus and veg, and then I can make dinner. This is what works for me. I typically only meal prep my breakfasts and lunches because I enjoy making food for dinner. But if you want it all out of the way, feel free to meal prep and to your heart's content. So I am also a writer in terms of like writing lists and everything like that. So I got these cool little lists from Amazon, and this one has a menu, and then this one has shop. So the first tip is always write out your menu for the week. So like I mentioned, boiled eggs and chicken bowls, and then any dinners that I'm going to try. And for the shop list, I will just write all the groceries I need to do. So this expedites the whole process. You're going to the grocery store with a plan, and you are getting ready to have a very productive week. So that's it for this video. I hope you learned a ton. It's the beginning of our February challenge, so stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to meal prep your meals for the week. Thanks guys, bye.